It's your girl Miss Slim, and I am back with another very affordable beauty video. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into the video. This video is going to be how I use one pack of braiding hair to do 5 different styles, guys. One pack for 5 styles. Super affordable. It's going to be 5 protective styles. So the items that you're going to need for these styles, the 5 styles using the one pack of braiding hair, are going to be some rubber bands. You can use any type of rubber bands. You're going to need some gel. I'm using the Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel, Maximum Hold 10. This is the Super Protein one. They have several other kinds, but the one that I'm using for this look is going to be the Super Protein one. You're also going to need some edge control. I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. Perfect edges, extra hold. This is what it looks like right here. You're also going to need some bobby pins. I just bought a whole container because I go through these things like nothing. Also, you're going to need some hair grease. Like I mentioned, I have to protect my hair by any means necessary, so I definitely have to make sure my hair is super moisturized. And my other moisturizer is going to be from African Pride, the Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Maximum Strengthening Moisturizer Lotion. And this is what it looks like. Which is going to be your comb and your brush. Your comb is going to be for the parting, depending on what type of style you're doing, and the brush is going to be to pull your hair all up and make sure all your edges and stuff is sleek and nice and laid back. So the type of hair that I'm using for this look is going to be the Easy Braid Professional. This is the pre-stretched hair. I took it out the package already, but I did save the tag so that I can show you guys exactly the type of hair that I'm using. The first thing I'm going to do is take the olive oil moisturizer, apply it into the palm of my hand, and evenly distribute it throughout my hair. Next, I'm going to take my grease, and I'm going to apply that also into the palm of my hand, rub it together, and apply it on top of the moisturizer. Now I'm going to take my Eco Styler Styling Gel, and I'm going to apply that on top of the grease, but I'm going to now apply that closely to my edges and also to the back around my head. Now I'm going to take my brush and make sure everything is evenly distributed through my hair by brushing it through. The last thing I'm going to take is my Argan Oil Edge Control, and I'm going to pay close attention to my edges because this will serve to make my hair nice and sleek. Then I'm going to brush that up as well. Once I have it brushed up nice and neat, I'm going to take my rubber band and I'm going to tie my hair down. Once it's tied down, I'm going to make a twist, wrap it around, and secure it again with another rubber band. Now I'm going to take the braiding hair and apply it onto that bun that I just made with my regular hair. Then I'm going to secure it down with some bobby pins. The first style that I'm doing is going to be a side ponytail, but it's going to be a side braided ponytail. That is the finished look for the first style. It's very cute, nice and sleek, very classy also, and I feel like Beyonce right. For the second style, I'm going to leave the braid how it is, but this time I'm going to wrap it around into a bun, and I'm going to take my bobby pins and secure it down. And that's it for the second look, guys. The third style is going to be another type of braided bun, but this time I'm going to take a piece of the hair off, sit it to the side. I'm going to make a small braid out of that, and I'm going to apply the rest of the hair onto my head, secure it down with some bobby pins. After I do that, I'm going to make a big braid. Then I'm going to wrap it around and secure it with the bobby pins. Now after I do that, the hair that I had took apart from the whole piece of braiding hair, I'm now going to make a small braid out of that. After I finish braiding it, I'm going to place it on the front of the bun, secure it with a bobby pin, and then wrap it around. And that completes my double braided bun. Okay guys, so this is going to be the fourth style. It's a bun with a swoop style, and this time I'm going to take the hair and separate it into two pieces. One of the pieces I'm going to use to make the bun. I'm going to wrap it around and secure it with bobby pins. I'm going to take the other side and leave it off to the side for now because that will serve as the swoop. Once I have created my bun, I'm going to secure it down now. Then I'm going to take the other part of the hair and I'm going to wrap that around my forehead, bring it around some more, and then I'm going to take the ends of it and wrap it around the bun. Once I do that, I'm going to take my bobby pins again to secure it down so that it forms a complete swoop look. As always, very nice, very easy to do, and of course, very affordable. We are now on the last and final style for the 5 styles using 1 pack of braiding hair, and this one I'm going to call a French twist inspired look. I'm going to part my hair into 2 sections, make 2 small buns out of my natural hair, separate the 1 pack of braiding hair into 2 sections, and then apply each one onto each small bun that I made, and of course secure that with bobby pins. Once it's secured, I'm going to make a twist and tie off the end with the rubber band so that it doesn't unravel. I'm going to do that for both sides. Okay, once I'm done with the 2 ponytails and twisting them, I'm going to wrap it around and then bring it across to the other side and secure it down, and I'm going to do the same one to the other one. I'm going to bring it across onto the opposite side and secure it down with a bobby pin, and then pin the loose ends down. Take off any excess hair, and that's going to be my French twist inspired look. Very, very, very simple. Very simple. I'm going to make this French twist inspired look a little bit more creative, and I'm going to add some of my gold clamps onto it. I'm going to take the one with the cross and apply it to the middle, and then I'm going to take the loose ones and just spread it out over the French twist. And this is the final look, guys. All of them are very fun and very creative to do and very affordable. And once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.